Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to optimize Elden Ring. I am going to give you the best settings for Elden Ring graphics. Screen mode, set it to full screen. Resolution, same as your monitor's native resolution. Auto detect best rendering settings, on. And quality settings, medium. If you want to fine-tune the game, adjust these settings. Texture quality to medium and not aliasing quality high. SSAO medium. Depth of field off. Motion blur turn it off. Shadow quality medium or low because it can impact the FPS. Lighting quality medium. Effects quality medium. Volumetric quality low. Reflection quality low or medium, water surface quality medium, shader quality medium, and global illumination quality medium. And that's it guys. Now you can optimize and enjoy Elden Ring for your PC. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.